to Crazy Cooking. We have 2 chefs in the kitchen today. I'm one of them. We have our other assistant chef. Hello.
Swedish chef.
Yeah. Okay. Now what are we going to be cooking today? A Pop-Tart or a pastry? That sounds nice, right? All right. Take a graham cracker, split it in half, and then I guess it looks like it's time to put the Nutella on, right? Okay, are we putting this Nutella on or not?
I am.
And I'd say that probably an 8-year-old could make this for breakfast without supervision. And I'd probably assume that a 4-year-old or a 5-year-old can make this under supervision. So it's extremely easy and all the little chefs out there can do it. So after that, why not a drizzle of strawberry jam? And a drizzle, it shouldn't be hanging off the graham cracker like that much drizzle. Next is the cranberries. The cranberry and sunflower seeds. Yes, this is meant to be healthy for you. Okay, that looks nice. Now, last but not least, this is the hard part. You might need an adult to do this if you're like a little bit of cinnamon to top it off. You sandwich it up and order up. It's really, really good. Now we are going to have our tester eat it. Take a bite. Let's see how your creation is. Was that good? Well, I guess that's the end of the cooking, of Crazy Cooking, where we have made a pastry, and it involves no microwave, no toaster oven, no oven, just Nutella, strawberry jam, ground cinnamon, some sunflower seeds, some cranberries or raisins, whatever you prefer, and graham crackers. That's about it. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
See you next time. And that's it for Crazy Cooking. Simple, easy, awesome. You should be able to make it yourself. People of any age can make this, no matter who they are. It is super, super easy. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.